Hello YouTube. Today I'm working on a central vacuum motor, which is this big motor right here. As you can see, it's a 3-stage motor, and what's happened is I'm replacing the motor brushes because the motor wasn't turning on anymore, and that's because the carbons they're completely gone. As you can see, there, it's hardly any carbon left now. Brand new carbon should look like this. So as you can see, it's this motor, it's been running for 30 years now, so it's time to replace the carbons now. I went ahead and replaced the motor bearing as well because it was getting a little loud. So, but before I put it back, I always like to clean the armature. As you can see, it's that's where the carbons run, and I want to get that clean before I put it back together and run it. Make sure it doesn't spark. So what you want to do, you want to use a brown chalk. It's a special chalk that you buy to clean armatures, and so I'm going to show you how to clean it. So as you can see, now it's nice and clean, and now I'm just gonna put it back together. So I'll put it back together, and then I'll show you a second video to see how it's running.